Assembling your Tomahawk Plate Compactor is quick and easy. Begin by unboxing and ensuring all parts are included. You'll need an adjustable wrench, a 19mm socket, and a 5mm Allen wrench for assembly. Remove the bolts at the base of the compactor using the 19mm socket and wrench. Align the holes at the bottom of the handles with the base of the compactor. Insert a bolt into a vibration isolation mount, slide it through the handles and compactor, and tighten it securely. Repeat this process on the other side. For first-time use, fill the oil tank to the upper limit with SAE 10W30 4-stroke motor oil and reinstall the cap securely. Next, remove the fuel cap and fill the tank with unleaded gasoline, 86 octane or higher. Reinstall the fuel cap tightly. To start the engine, turn the fuel valve lever to the on position. If the engine's cold, set the choke lever to the closed position. For a warm engine, leave it in the open position. Then turn the red engine switch to the on position. Pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance. Then pull briskly. Gradually open the choke as the engine warms up. Your Tomahawk Plate Compactor is now ready to deliver professional-grade compaction for your project. For more tips and support, subscribe to our channel today.